2019 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, aluminum wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.